after an FBI raid. Trump's bedroom included sensitive documents. Judges have questioned how former US President Donald Trump could have failed to notice secret documents that were found in his bedroom following an FBI raid on his Florida residence. The documents were uncovered in his own residence many months after the summer of 2022, when federal authorities carrying out a search warrant at Mar-a-Lago in Palm Beach came upon more than 100 classified data. The prosecution's assertion that Mr. Trump was probably instructing his agents to avoid the surveillance cameras at the golf club was also mentioned by the court. He refutes 40 federal accusations of unauthorized possession of data related to national defense. His co-defendants, Carlos de Oliveira, a former employee, and assistant Walt Nauta, have also entered not guilty pleas. It seems improbable that the trial will start before the US election in November, when Mr. Trump is expected to be the nominee for the Republican Party. While it was discovered that Joe Biden had purposefully held onto confidential documents, he was not charged with hindering the investigation, and an investigator for the Justice Department declined to press charges, reasoning that a jury would perceive the US president as a well-meaning, elderly man with a poor memory. 4 months after the FBI raid at the home in December 2022, 4 months later, 4 more documents with classified markings were discovered, according to a recently released document in the Trump lawsuit from the former president's attorneys. Notably, no excuse is provided as to how the former president could miss the classified marked documents found in his own bedroom at Mar-a-Lago. A U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell, an Obama appointee, said in the March 2023 opinion. Federal investigators obtained a court order in June 2022 granting them access to the estate's security camera footage. Prosecutors claim that Mr. Nauta scrambled to alter his travel schedule and fly from New Jersey to Mar-a-Lago in 2022 after Mr. Trump became aware of this subpoena in order to make sure boxes were moved off camera, as per the ruling released on Tuesday. The court remarks on the curious absence of any video footage showing specific boxes being returned to a storage area. Arguments on the most recent motion by the former president to have the indictment dismissed were set to be heard by Judge Eileen Cannon, a Trump appointee who is presently overseeing the case, on Wednesday. He claims it is a personal and political attack on him rather than a clear definition of a crime. Mr. Nauta, his co-accused, will also attempt to have his case dismissed. Because he chose not to assist with the investigation, he claims it amounts to selective prosecution. In 3 other criminal proceedings, Mr. Trump is charged with several additional offenses. He is presently on trial in New York for allegedly covering up payments made in 2016 to an adult film star in the form of hush money.